Have you ever felt trapped inside your own mind? The endless what-ifs, the replaying of conversations long after they've ended, the mental lists that grow longer no matter how hard you try to keep up. It's exhausting. You lie in bed, desperate for sleep, but your brain is racing like it's late for an appointment. You try to focus at work, but one tiny decision spirals into a storm of over-analysis. You're not broken. You're not failing. What you're experiencing is overthinking, and it's your nervous system, not your willpower, that's keeping the cycle alive. Today, I'll share a simple, step-by-step guide to quiet your mind and find calm. And at the end, I'll give you a free resource you can download, so you'll always have these steps close at hand when the spiral starts. Emily is a thoughtful woman. She prides herself on being responsible, prepared, and detail-oriented. But behind closed doors, her mind never seems to switch off. At work, she spends hours drafting and redrafting emails, terrified of saying the wrong thing. At home, she replays conversations with her partner, analyzing every word and wondering if she sounded cold or impatient. At night, she lies awake, her brain a carousel of what-ifs. What if I didn't do enough today? What if something bad happens tomorrow? One night, after hours of tossing and turning, Emily whispered to herself, "Why can't I just stop thinking?" But that's the thing. Overthinking isn't something you can stop by force. It's something you have to gently redirect. Neuroscience shows us that overthinking is tied to the brain's default mode network, the part that replays the past and worries about the future. When the nervous system is on high alert, that network goes into overdrive. Bessel van der Kolk explained it this way: when the body is holding stress, the mind mirrors it with constant vigilance. And mindfulness teachers remind us, the more we fight our thoughts, the louder they become. Overthinking isn't proof that you're weak. It's proof that your mind is trying to protect you. It just doesn't know how to relax. So, how do we step off the carousel? Here are 3 practices you can begin today. Step 1. Ground with your breath. When the mind races, the body follows. And when the body slows, the mind listens. Place one hand on your belly and one on your chest. Take a slow inhale through your nose. Feel your belly rise. Exhale longer than your inhale. Do this 3 times. This signals to your nervous system, I am safe right now. And every time you return to your breath, you're gently rewiring your brain to step out of the loop. Step 2. Create a worry window. Trying not to think about something never works. Instead, schedule it. Pick a 15-minute window in your day, maybe after dinner. When a worry pops up at another time, write it down and tell yourself, I'll think about this during my worry window. Most of the time, by the time you get there, the worry has lost its charge. And the ones that remain, you'll face them with more calm and clarity. This small ritual teaches your mind that it doesn't need to spin 24/7. Step 3. Let your body release the tension. Overthinking isn't just mental, it's physical. Notice your shoulders, notice your jaw, notice your breath. Emily started a practice of shaking out her hands and stretching her body before bed. Sometimes, she would even stand up, dance for a song, and let herself laugh. It doesn't erase the thoughts, but it tells her body, you don't have to carry this tension anymore. And when the body softens, the mind follows. You are not your thoughts. Emily used to believe her overthinking was a flaw, proof she wasn't strong enough. But the truth? Overthinking is simply your brain working overtime to keep you safe. And the moment you begin giving it gentler ways to rest, everything shifts. It's not about stopping thoughts. It's about remembering you are more than your thoughts. Take a few quiet minutes today with a pen and paper. Ask yourself these 3 questions. 1. What thought loop has been visiting me most often lately? 2. Where in my body do I feel it when that thought arrives? 3. What is one small act of kindness I can offer myself when it comes? Write freely, without censoring yourself. Even a few words can create distance from the spiral. And when you're done, place a hand on your heart and whisper, I am more than this thought. I am safe to rest. Because I don't want you to walk away with ideas that fade by tomorrow. I've prepared something for you. It's a free PDF called The Calm Mind Practice. Inside, you'll find today's 3 steps written clearly, plus extra prompts and simple exercises you can use whenever your thoughts feel overwhelming. You can download it for free. The link is right below. And if you'd like to go beyond reading and actually experience a guided release of worry, we've also created a free emotional release audio journey. It's a safe space where I'll walk you through letting go of tension and quieting your mind in real time. If you're curious, you'll find the link alongside the PDF. You don't have to fight your thoughts. You don't have to silence them. You only have to remember that you are not your thoughts, and your mind deserves rest as much as your body does. So the next time you feel the spiral coming, pause. Breathe. Offer your worries a container. Let your body shake off the tension. And little by little, you'll remember that calm isn't something you have to chase. It's something you can return to. One breath, one moment at a time. Because Emily and you are not broken. You are human, and you are ready to rest your mind.